This is Python code for principal component analysis. Python program that performs the a priori algorithm using the MLXtend library. A priori algorithm, very famous. Define the transaction data. Like if you are going to shop, you are regularly you are purchasing bread and jam. Why? Because it is a combination. So like that association rules, we can generate a number of examples. See here, I am going to demonstrate a priori algorithm. Okay. So I am going to demonstrate a priori algorithm. See, CLS, clear the screen, Python space, a priori algorithm. See, so combinations, I got the output combinations. So support and item sets, frequent item sets, bread and cheese, eggs and milk, vegetables, cheese and bread. Likewise, we are generating top 10 rules. Okay, antecedents and consequence. So likewise, I am generating various applications. Now see here. So these are the multiple choice questions. If you are, see, so with this one, data science introduction part is with the top 10 algorithms I have executed. Now I am going to execute Python with various applications.